Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the US30 with the gold XAUUSD. Now the first thing is that it's not better or worse. It really depends on what kind of strategy you want to do and what you are comfortable of doing. So this is the first thing. And the second thing is that the gold is more volatile. It's affected by USD, and US30 is also affected by USD, but not that much since it's comprised of companies. So I can't really say that which one is better. This is like companies, this is primarily for the gold. Now just do your work, test out which one you prefer more. Use also your intuition if you're gonna have experience, because intuition is really good if you can have experience, but the intuition is also great if you don't have experience. You can just have to tune with your like kind of this something within you. And yeah, or you can go to travel back to June 85 and buy gold and then sell it right now. So that's something you can also do. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.